let me get my popsicle started here. And my music. Yeah, I just lost an insane game I should not have lost. AI Cloud to say I don't want that. Shut up. Jumping image. How about now? Is it working? Yeah. Still loading. Okay. Well, we'll let that load while I move on to this. We're making a different game today. I was I'm still a little, I'll probably get back over to. It was just, it was a heartbreaking loss. It was such a fun game too. Oh, there we go. Popping now. Such a fun game. I had 3-star Tristana. I think I just lost too much health early. And it was bad. Should not have lost that game. But anyway, we are currently making a game using ChatGPT. Lazy. Pretty much the only helpful. I will admit it is helpful for boilerplate. Whatever. TFT style auto chess game on hold right now, just because I think this will be a little easier to make. Making a little simulator game called .com. That's what I'm calling it for now. See here, let's add the time manager. No, we have to add the UI stuff. Let's add some buttons. Button. Will be time control for our game. We'll also add in the ability to do parent time control buttons. Add in a layout. Cool. Go ahead and put these in the top right for now. I don't really know where to put it. Oh, no, that didn't work. I'll have to look up later where they probably should. For width. Do this. Make it an even 700. I need to change the canvas here. Scale with screen width. Okay, there we go. At 0.5 generally. Take these buttons. Let's make the width a little smaller. 500 maybe, and then let's control the width. Let's make this even smaller. This should be closer to 250 maybe. That seems closer to correct. You want to kind of move it down, and I'll let that down. You know what we'll do actually? We'll add a padding in the top. We'll add padding everywhere. We're gonna add a spacing. Great. These guys will go in here and change all their text. A little smaller. Let's actually pause. Cool, it fits. That's what I was hoping for. That would fit. Go. Our buttons. Oh, we need to show the date too, I think. Let's add in UI element. UI toolkit, what's that? The Text Mesh Pro, that's what we want. Call this the current date TMP. Both parent, we'll call this time control elements. On this guy, we'll add a vertical one. Up right here. Oh, what? Oh, okay. So we actually will do that. We'll say control width and height. We'll say that your width is going to be 50. Your height's going to be 200. It's going to be 100. That's fine enough. I think this here. No, not that. Layout element to both of these. Flex height 1. Both they should be roughly the same. Let's lower this as height. Let's make our size. Let's make it 26. That looks better. We'll say Thursday. I'm just making this up because I don't know what it was. January Jan 1 1990. Okay, so we do see that this is quite long enough. I like the full day. I don't like the full day there. Go ahead and go to 22. Let's go to 20 and we'll leave it there and hope that it's going to be good enough. Should be good enough. Why is it so... No, all right, hold on. Let's go back in here. We should be controlling the child height and size. Let's go ahead and do any more padding. Do spacing though. Make this guy twice as big. That's better. That's good enough for now. Okay, so we got all those elements up there. Add in the time manager game object. Control N, right? Nope, that's not it. Create Alt Shift N. Control Shift N. Okay. Time manager. I think I already have one of those, so. Fine. I'm UI manager. I don't know that I want this, but we'll do it anyway. I think I actually just want to have this be like elected. But we'll modify that in a minute. All right. Now let's go back into the code and make sure that the code is going to take care of what I want. Put it in America format. Okay, cool. Shouldn't this keep track of the current day, month, and year? So they got that. I can't. So what I want to do, I cannot do right this second with this current iteration. It should be trivial to change it, but I'll make AI do it. I don't feel like doing that. Let's take some notes here. They should be in this format. We don't need a current speed text. We have buttons with the 1x, 2x, 3x, etc. Make those selected and the speed matches. Perfect. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and do this. Right now I have to use the buttons. I can't actually. Oh, let me add that in there as a note. Additionally, we are using the new input system and want to change speed with 1, 2, 3 and pause with base. Pause slash unpause bar. Cool. So let's do this real quick. Let's fix these buttons. Time UI manager. Time manager. That time scale to 1. I just realized I'm not sure if it's the correct method for set time scale. I don't remember. I think it is. Might change that to a different speed here. Pause, I think, is set to 0, right? It seems to really want me to save load feature done. I'll do that next, I think. But it's fine the way that it is currently. Probably play it and see what happens. See what happens when we play it. Okay, so it is going British format, which is, look, I get it. It's technically like better, but let's do this though. It's working. I didn't try pause. We'll try pause in a second, but let's do this. We're gonna make it 4x. Then where's my button here? Oh, this one. Oh, we'll make this one 16x. Button here. Here, it will 4. Let's try that. All right, well, X. Okay, 4x. 16x. I like it. Pause. All right, the current speed is not actually updating. I don't think I plugged that in, or it just didn't. It doesn't matter though, because I don't particularly care. All right, so let's do this. The time manager. Time manager is here. We're gonna update that guy. UI manager, where's my time manager? Yeah, I knew we needed a date time. All right, and in here, we need to go to the UI, the time UI manager, and update this guy. Let's also make sure that we move these back to where we had them, into the correct namespace. System.datetime is not assignable to, yeah, okay, it is, so there we go. And we have the highlight button set. Okay, let's try this out first. We'll give this a little go. Then we'll try out the hotkeys. Okay, what are we doing here? Okay, so we're having some issues with the buttons, right? Highlight button or button in speed button. So where's speed button set? Oh, okay, it's not actually. I thought it was automatically going to set it. That's dumb of me. Let's go to the time UI manager here. We'll go to time. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 4, 16, and then our pause button right here. Boom. Great. So now that I'm looking at it, I like this because it's a little like more interesting, but this is more Victoria 3 style, which is kind of fun, but hold on. All right, let's keep the underlying. No, I think we go back. I think honestly we just go back. Because I think it just looks, I don't know, the passage of time looks better. doesn't it? When it's just days. No, you know what? I actually, now that I think about it, I do want this, but I just want to change the way that it's date.toString. Let's change the format here. I actually leave the date time element in there for the future, but use of scheduling past events, but I want to change the date format to be like this again. 12/31/20. There we go. Month first. Maybe later we let the user decide what format. Also the button format. Here's what we do. Okay, this actually this is good. Yeah, we'll do that. Private user date format. That's the default one. And then later on, at some point, they can change it, right? So we'll just do this. We can change the date format. We can get it from user preferences or something, but we'll figure that out later. That's not that big of a deal. But that being said, this is a lot clearer, I think, as far as seeing what the date is offhand, because it won't jump around as much. Well, truth be told, like if I use a monospace format, the date... Ah! Jeez, that scared the crap out of me. Oh, okay. There's like it plays the sound. I don't know if it played it on the stream or not, but oh, that scared the crap out of me. Hi, Lucy. How are you? I'm doing great. Oh, that's awful. Why does it do that? I don't think it played it on the stream. I think it only played it for me, which is terrifyingly loud. How do I turn that down? Oh my god. Let's turn it down a little bit. There we go. Thanks for the follow or whatever it was. Appreciate you. All right, we're moving. The date is moving. We're moving faster, moving quicker, and we pause it. Great. Current speed still doesn't work. I think we just drop it, right? We don't even have that anymore, which is fine. So we're gonna get rid of it. How's the game going? Well, you know, it's going okay. I was making a different game. I was making a auto chess game, but this seems like a little more fun challenge because it's something that is attainable, and I'm gonna go back to that one, but that one requires like a level of knowledge I do not have at this moment. Entities and that sort of thing. I gotta struggle through that, and this one seems a little more up my alley. Plus, I'm having AI help me do it. So we're gonna give it a shot. How's your day going? Thank you very much, Ashley. Ashlyn. I'll be sure to check it out later. Hope you're all having a good New Year's Eve. Unless you're over, you're not from the US and you already have a New Year. Is it time? Actually, the only person that could do that, I think just now, somebody's in the New Year, right? No, I'm dumb. There's plenty of other people. I'm dumb. There are plenty of other people that have it now. Noon 30, noon o'clock. Where I'm at. I'm streaming for fun. I'm obviously I would love to become a content creator at some point, but I'm I don't think that's probably going to happen for me, but even still, would be fun. We're just chilling today, though. I think I'm too old to be a proper streamer, you know? All those youngins. If we can make the colors work on the buttons, though. Buttons have this thing on Unity. Let's see here. Image. They also have a selected color. I want the colors to be... Well, thank you very much. I appreciate it. I want the colors to be selected. I was playing some TFT earlier. I don't know if you played that one, but I had a pretty bad loss, so I'm kind of sulking over here right now. I want the colors to be grayed out if the current speed is greater than or equal to the scale value of the button. I have a highlight button thing, so for the button and buttons, and speed buttons, yeah, that's what I want. I need to get its current speed. Yeah, I mean, post it. I'll take a look at it. Appreciate you bringing it to my attention. This thing here, there we go, perfect. Thank you very much. Alrighty, I'll have to take a look in a little bit. I appreciate you sharing that. I'll sure to take a look in a minute. Alright, 1x, 4x, NX. It does not seem to be working. Alright, so take a look. Maybe we go into the debugger. How often does highlight button work? It goes on start and on set speed, on pause time. Do this debug log F string. Is that? Oh, that's a different language. Is it a dollar string, or do I just do setting the speed to? I do it like this. No, dollar string at the beginning. Always forget how string interpolation works in the 15 different languages I code in, right? I don't feel like loading up the debugger because sometimes it don't work. So if I set speed, where's my console? Hold on. So when I click the button, what method's being called? That time scale. All right, so hold on. Time manager. That time scale. Update the UI. This is not happening. Day passed. Only that method's ever called. I will go ahead. There you go. Right, what do I need to do? Find. All right, let's see here. I need to look up. No, I need to. I mean, sorry, I need to get back into this. What is this method that's being called? Set time scale is being called. Set time or highlight button is not really being called. I don't think. Is it? Hold on. The update. I think the UI is not updating. Yeah, that's what I thought. Where's my being called? Start? Scale. The time scale is being called. Time scale being called. Speed UI. Like, where's my time manager UI? Right. The highlight button method. Where is that being called here? I don't need that. I don't need that method. When is set speed being called? That's not being called at all. think that's the point, is that this is not... This would be called... Maybe that's the problem. I'm setting it the wrong way. I'm using the time manager. Maybe I'm supposed to be using the time UI manager. Time UI manager. That speed. 20. I think that's what I'm supposed to be doing. That's my bad. We'll do that. Speed. Let's give this a shot here. This should be 4:16. Oh, I did the right one this time. All right, let's try that. All right, so I'm at 1. There we go. There we go. All right, so I'm having issues with it being, it's only if it's less than. I need to change that. It's fun. Take a look here. Pause time. Smiley button. Speed is left. The speed is less than or equal to this. So here's what I want to do. Debug.log. The speed. Button. Speed. Just gonna debug a bunch of times. Oh, that's fine. That'll get me going. All right, ready? I appreciate the follow and the conversation, but if you're going to keep taking no, not taking no for an answer, you're just going to get blocked, man. Thanks. Have a good day. Like, I understand that you got to, like, sell your services to streamers, but, like, I'm busy. I already said that. So take no for an answer. Not trying to be mean, man, but, like... That's what I thought. Okay. Equality, floating point numbers. They really shouldn't be floats. Why aren't they just ints? Why don't we just take an int? I don't know why they're not ints in the first place. They're just integers. Timescale. Why though? Let's just make it an int. I'm getting ready to see why it had to be float and not int. I'm guessing. I'm gonna guess that multiplication is gonna be weird. I'm gonna guess that not floating points. This is an int. They're both integers. Okay. They're ints. How are we having issues with this? That might have been it. Let me just go real quick, check these buttons here. At least they can take in integers. Yeah, it's an integer. Oh, hold on. Having a missing function here. That speed int. All right, there we go. This. I speed. All right. This one should be 1. This one should be 2. Sorry, 4. This should be 0. Perfect. Let's give that a shot. Might run into an issue where pause is being highlighted. Oh no, it shouldn't be because it's not listed as a speed button. All right, so we're at 1x, 4x. 4x didn't highlight, and then 16x didn't highlight. Oh, it does when I. Okay, we're getting closer. I wonder if it was actually working before. Okay, so that's doing the thing I think it should be doing. Normal color. Normal color is... Okay, can I make them not selectable? I can't do that because of accessibility issues, right? Let's make a method here. Button dot selected. Button dot unselect. Is there a way to not select a button? Having an issue where when I click the button it gets selected and doesn't show the color until I unselect it. I'd like to... In fact, let's go back to the way it was. I think it's actually working. I'd like to make the buttons unselectable. I'd like to make the... I want to make this... I think I just have to... Here's what I have to do. To go in here for all these buttons, and when they're selected, change the colors, don't I? Instead of a color tint, we do right swap. Technically, that would be the way, but I don't. Could also just say that it's fine and move on. Let's do this for now. Let's just change the selected colors to that. This will be, it'll be slightly darker, and then when I click away, it'll... I think that's fine. Here's what I'll do though. I'm going to change green to be red. Actually, I'm going to make it gray. I'm going to make it just gray. Gray is fine. We don't need to be all fancy with it. I don't need to fix this because it's a minor issue that I don't really feel like messing with right now. So let's move on. It'll be good enough. It's good enough for now. We got things moving. I do see this though. Here's what I want to do. Get rid of this padding. Get rid of this padding here. We will add padding under the parent. There we go. Better. Now what? Oh, hotkeys. Great. Adding the hotkeys. So let's go. I think I have a input system here. UI. We'll add these here, right? Action, new action. Time 1x. Button. No, that's fine. Is it under UI though, or is that player? I think it should technically be under player. We don't need any of these actions here. These are all just defaults. We'll add in a new action. Time 1x. It will be a button. In fact, let's rename it to be a little bit speed 1. Thank you. This is actually from the ChatGPT. It's very helpful. Triggered by the 1 button. Yeah, how do I do this? Not what I want. Like, this is kind of the thing I want. I want this. This is what I want. I don't want to edit that. Like, there's a way to do this. Okay, maybe this is what I wanted. Save asset. Button. Binding. That's what I'm looking for. Okay. There we go. Cool. Duplicate. We'll call it speed 2, and duplicate speed 3, and duplicate pause. Pause. Do I need a pause, unpause? Do I need a separate one? Okay, come on. Pause. Unpause. Great. Binding. Listen to 3. Perfect. Binding. Listen to space. Perfect. That's perfect. Okay. Save the asset. These actions, technically, those bindings are used in. I don't feel like setting up controllers and all that right now, but it'll be nice to set up later. Now, save the asset. I need to do generate this. Assets slash scripts slash no. Yeah, scripts slash input system. Wait, what is this thing? Actions. Input system actions. CS. We will put it in the global namespace. That's fine. Probably should go in core, but all right. Now we go to the time input manager. Time UI manager, time input manager, new manager. Yep, sure, why not? add directory, input, add class, time input manager, cool beans. Well, I call it time controls. They call it time controls. That's not what it's. The input system actions. Actions. Controls equals. Hold on, let's just change this. Equals new input system actions. There we go. All right. We'll just call this controls. There we go. We'll get R here. That's actually interesting, calling it time control. I have it under player. Let me see if I can add one real quick. Time controls. Time control. Yeah, we'll just go under player because I don't think there's gonna be a lot the player can do. Player. See, here's the deal though. That's actually a good name for it, pause toggle. We'll do that. Resave the might be doing it. This is technically incorrect. Also, where's set speed? The set speed's going to be an int anyway, and we don't need f's here. And also, it's not going to be matching if it ever gets out of sync. So that's a to do. These are magic numbers, and they could get out of sync with the button version. So there should probably be some centralized place where they look it up, but again, that's fine. Let's go to here. We're gonna do autosave, and we're gonna close this guy, and we're gonna. Oh, we have a time manager doesn't do this. Oh, okay, maybe that's why it's having issues. Let's go up to here though and move it into the correct namespace. Perfect. I actually don't. Do I want to resume? At one? Yeah, I think technically, here's what I'm going to do. This is going to be a to-do. And first off, well, yeah, come on, AI. We got to be consistent here. We're going to pretty much always use, you know what though? I can see this. I can get down with this. This is fine, especially if we do this. But a to-do here. To-do, track the last time scale, keep those buttons highlighted, resume to that speed. There we go. That's again later though. I don't feel like doing it now. All right, let's check it out. I'm missing something here. The time input manager. I didn't actually create it. All of these managers here, input manager, probably need to be grouped together in one item anyway, but we'll create an empty parent. time managers. Get rid of this guy, remove component, time input manager. All right. That guy listening. I'm curious if I can add comments to components. Okay, so it's working. I just have to update the UI. Comment. That'd be kind of cool. All right. Go to the time, set speed, and toggle pause. So on set speed, I also need to go to the time UI manager dot highlight or some sort of instance. No, instant. This is not a singleton. How does the time manager do it? Okay. Private highlight button. Okay. So instead of setting the speed here, we need to set it. Okay, hold on. This is what we need to do. We should probably just use the time UI manager's set speed function. Means we probably need to make this another. Well, oh, ChatGPT is going a little bit crazy right now. Yeah. ChatGPT has gone insane. So what I'm going to do is actually just copy over the singleton code here. Buy manager. I think this is technically not like in fashion anymore, but I don't really think I care all that much. Fine. Oh, that's pretty good. Short break here. All right, one more thing, and I think I'm done for the day. We'll go back over to gaming. I think the thing I want to do, though, is make it to where I store the last used speed. Okay. See here, what is this? This is my manager. Where would that be? It would be in the UI manager, I think. So, let me think. If I go from the speed 3 to pause, I want to keep those highlighted, but also highlight the pause button. I'll probably do a different color, which makes sense. But what else do I want to do? Highlight the pause button. And when I resume, I want to go back to the speed I had. That's what I want. Alright, so let's see your time manager. Previous speed. Yep, that makes sense. To be perfectly honest, I'm not really sure if day past does anything. Here's what we're going to do though. If new scale is greater than 0, previous speed equals new scale. Do this. This is fine for now. Do we need this? We'll come back to this later. Time UI manager dot instance dot update. I don't think, can I do that? Hold on. The UI manager talk to this? We're going to come up with a circular dependency. Yeah, we can't do that. This is fine. We don't need to notify it. It will know. In fact, actually, doesn't the UI manager need to know what it is? I guess technically no. Okay, hold on. Why do we have to pass this in if it's coming from... Yeah, hold on. Like, when is this used? It's used 3 times here, and every single time it's passed in a speed, but like, what is the... Oh, I see, because this one technically comes from... I think every single time, though, it comes from my manager. I'm gonna leave it, but I don't think I need it. The highlight button, I need the previous speed. Our previous speed equals time manager dot instance dot previous. Let's actually make that public if it's not. Where is it? Previous speed, private float. First off, it's int. Public. Technically, this is not to do. This should be private. Get that one. Fine. So basically, I need to handle pause and the other one differently. I don't think I need that. Here's what I need to do. This should be highlight speed. We're gonna call this highlight speed because basically I want to know what speed should I highlight up to, right? So if the new scale is greater than 0, so let's set the time scale. The highlight speed is going to be equal to if I'm setting this, annoying. Use my brain. Come on, brain. So, if the new scale is 0, don't update the highlight speed. If if new scale is not equal to 0, highlight speed equals new scale. Basically, if we didn't just pause it, set the highlight speed to what it needs to be. If we did pause it, leave it where it was, which is the last speed that it had. I think this will work. So though, at this point, we're going to check the highlight button. We're not going to look for the speed here. We're going to look at the highlight speed. Highlight button. I don't think we need to pass anything in at all. I think what we need to do is just use the highlight speed. We go to time manager instance highlight speed. I think that actually fixes it. Might do it. Oh, all right, so that's something to look at. All right, so it is 16 and I unpaused. I went to 1x. We're close, so I have to just check my unpause button. Where's my unpause? So we have a little bit of a problem here. This is not updating this set speed is not the one I want to use. So this is wrong. I need to use the time manager one. Time manager input instance that time scale. This is the one that I want, right? Yeah, that's the one I want to use. That's speed. What is this being used? Where is it? Time input manager. Okay. Why would you ever use that though? That should be private, I think. Did I just change this? I see. So now we're having issues. It's a circular dependency issue. Okay. Hold on. It's time to think. We can call that. This should be fine because this calls that. Okay, that calls that under the hood. That's fine. The only thing is it updating is my set speed to the highlight speed? Yeah, okay. That's fine. This should be fine. Perfect. All right, we have a working, except for the pause button doesn't highlight. Okay, now let's try that again though. Let's get the pause button highlighting and then we're done with today. If the speed is equal to 0, normal color. Okay, speed is set to the highlight speed. That's why it's broken now. So I need to know its current speed. Do this. We'll make this highlight speed, and then we'll go down here. Bar is paused equals time manager dot instance dot time scale equals 0. So if is paused, we'll set it to gray, otherwise white. All right. Alrighty, we get this working. Take a quick break, and then we'll come back and do some tea. That should be fun. Oh, what happened to my There we go. Hopping earlier. Oh, we'll take care of that too. All right, moving it one day. Pause. Cool. I do want to set the pause to be a slightly different color. Yeah, I like that a lot. So let's set the pause to be a different color, and then we'll fix this thing. Don't destroy on load. Works only for root game objects components on root. Okay, yeah. So we'll have to fix that, and/or just get rid of it. We have too many things selected, so let's go to the pause one. We're at the. We're gonna set the what color do we want for this? Make it like this. It's not actually easy to make a new. It's not. It's annoying. All right, hold on. Color. Pause. Color equals new color, and then can I pass in like a hex or something? No, I can do RGB. All right, so let's go back here, make the pause color, do 14, 157, 157, all right. Do 14, 157, 157. We'll go with that. Yet another to do real quick. To do magic color. All right, I think that should do it. Oh, that one little error that we got, warning, we got to get rid of. All right. We don't have a color. How did that not work? Right. Pause. Well, when I click pause, it should unpause. That's another bug. No, do I have to add in the alpha of 1? Maybe. We'll take a look as why that's not working, because gray was working. This doesn't work, I'm just going to make it red, and we're going to be done with it for now. Alright, I hit pause. Let me look at this color. Here's what's happening. My theory. Here's my theory of what's happening. It's not updating because pausing that's my theory, is that it's updating. Like if I click on normal color, it is different. If I click on this, it's here. So if I let me go to unpause, and if I go back to normal color, it's back to where it was. So I think it's updating before pause button color is updating, but this, I think we have to use unscaled time or something. Game is pausing. It doesn't update the UI. There's gotta be, like, you do unscaled time or something like that. I can't remember how that works. No, that it's telling me to do something stupid. I don't think that's what you're doing. How to, this is a Google search, how to update UI when time scale is 0. It's like unscaled time. There's a way to set UI to be unscaled, and I can't remember how to do it. Maybe go to Canvas. Here somewhere. Okay. Yeah, where is it though? Hold on, let me see where this is. Don't destroy it. That's not. Get rid of that. Doesn't seem to like it. Oh, it's because it's like rooted in. Oh, fine. It technically shouldn't be. Should be a root object or something. Fine though. I'm gonna comment it out for now. If this equals null, it's equals yep. Okay, cool. And this is not doing any of the things. It doesn't even. This is stupid. It's not giving me anything. I don't think I'm actually using any sort of time elapsed equals time delta. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Okay. Times the time scale. That makes sense. All this is doing is updating. Yeah, this is fine. I'm not actually pausing, am I? I'm not setting the time. I'm not actually pausing, so it doesn't. I'm not setting time scale to 0. I just stop updating the elapsed time. So that's why it's a little confusing. If I pause, it does pause, but it doesn't change the normal of this. So why in the world is that not working? Alright. I don't know. I'm in a weird spot right here. I don't know where to find. All right. What? Dev. Where's my game? One. manager sound. My manager. There's another one. All right, fine. So pause button doesn't highlight when I pause. Oh, I'm dumb. Okay. Thanks, you. Thanks, AI. If this works, then I'm dumb. I do remember colors being a pain in the butt to like set. Oh yeah, there it goes. Look how I hate the way they do colors. 214 out of 255. It's a division problem. That's so stupid, man. You know, I get it. I actually get it though. Oh, but I hate it. I still think it's stupid. Give it a shot. It also didn't match when I was doing it, so that was weird. But what are you gonna do? All right, there we go. We're good enough. We'll be done for today. Into the project files here. Files empty. Don't be stupid. It is? Why is it empty? Yesterday. He has green tongue. All right. Something else I was just thinking of with pause. Oh, I'll add this in here. Alrighty, I think that's a good place to leave it for now, and we'll go play some TFT. So, BRB. Alrighty, let's queue up, man. Let's we'll either I don't know, I could play some let's play some TFT. I kind of like that last game was just heartbreaking. It was a really good one. Let me see if I can find it. Oh, it's gone. Yeah, that was that was a big bummer. Like I had upgraded Exalted Adventure, right? And I had perfect Tristana items. I had Tristana, Rel, and I upgraded. Maybe I took too long to upgrade, I guess. Honestly, no. It's just like it's a B tier comp. I gotta stop playing these B tier comps. All right. No, we're not trying to have fun right now. This is the problem. I'm not trying to have fun. I have to climb. I want to hit diamond so I can stop playing the set or take a break from the set. Like I like the set. It's actually really good, but there's a few balance issues. It's making it unfun. So here's what we're doing. We are going to play Timer. We are going to play Conquer, Family, Rebel, Renata, Fogma, Nocturne, and Cambaron, I guess. Those are the ones that I'm okay with. Cambaron I don't particularly like, so... Fine. We will go Heimer as our default. Honestly, last game I should have won. I think it was just too high of a tempo lobby, and that one was fine. But let's just remind ourselves we're not trying to win, or we're not trying to have fun. We're trying to win. We're trying to win. Fun comes later. We are winning. That's what we're going for. Come move faster. Okay. We have a pretty good starter kit here. Right? Pretty good starter kit. We also have some family units. We'll do that. This is fantastic if I get an artifact. And kind of just mid if I don't. I need to start deleting some of these. Let me just delete some. Delete. This is my go-to. That's my go-to. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. Well, that's a really interesting shop. Don't really want to sell anything. What is the item? New Lux. Hurricane? Oh, I kind of want to buy that. I kind of really want to buy that. Because here's the thing, I mean, everyone's probably going to have this thought, but if I get the, I probably shouldn't have sold, whatever. Okay, so this is fine. I want to re-roll. I don't think I'm going to. This is really good. This is really good, isn't it? I don't think... this is rough. Alright. I do like re-rolling. But if I was going to re-roll, I was thinking of going... I want Hurricane. I want that Hurricane one. This is such a strong one, isn't it? Dominators is taken. This guy's going that. Let's re-roll. Alright, we'll take this. We have absolute garbage right now. Absolute just nonsense. I can't slam anything. I kind of wanted to play... Here's what we'll do. Let's try to play something stupid, but I think it'll work. We'll play around the Hurricane Augment, even though we don't have it, right? How do I play around that? Is it just full Academy? It's got to be full Academy. We're going to play around full Academy and just hope that either get +1 Academy or whatever. Where are you? You. Rel. Where's Rel? Something like that, I guess, and then another Sentinel. Some sort of Sentinel. We have to try to not die, so let's do something that would potentially help us not die. That's something. It's not a great something, but it's something. This can be fine. Redemption's fine. And Lewis. Where's Lewis? There. Well, this is the comp for now. It's kind of similar to just Quirkenheimer. We can pivot around this. We can even go back to the other. Look at those shields, boy. Oh, I mean, I don't know why this thinks I'm gonna win. This is absolutely wrong. Maybe we get one more kill though, maybe? Yeah, baby. Yeah, that's fine. Fine, we'll lose, but like, let's try not to make them big losses. I want to lose. In fact, I do want to lose. I'm forgetting that. Forgot which augment I took. I'm just gonna hope for that one augment. If I get it, I'm set. In the meantime, something like this. Grab that guy too. We want to lose. This is the Chemtech. I will not lose to that. I don't need to try to lose to that. So if I try to lose to the Chemtech, I'm just gonna end up going last. Now, do I want to go for a Hurricane right now? Kinda. Alright. He has a Hurricane. It looks like triple Hurricane is one of the builds. But double Hurricane, i.e. that's not very good. I would say Rage Blade. Alright, looks like triple Hurricane's good on him. When you have this augment would be my guess. Impossible to tell now, but we'll go for him, actually. That's pretty good. You should get some kills. Okay. I'm also seeing the Deathblade. That could be interesting. Red buff also looks good. Okay, so we'll go Hurricane now. There's not a lot of Hurricane users, so we would kind of be committing to it if we did that, and we don't even have the augment. That's what I'm gonna do. I want to lose. I'm not gonna lose to this. Like, there's just no way to lose to that, I don't think. Okay, weren't gonna lose to this anyway. We do want to lose. We'll throw this on you. Get a couple kills here. Couple, like one at least. There we go. Lux 2 is really good. Not good enough. Warmogs is great. Oh, these are good. These are really good items for what we're trying to do. And another Hurricane started. Great. I don't think I'm weak to... I think I actually could technically lose this. There's a shot. I mean, Rennie's really strong. I'd actually lose to that. Okay, let's see. There's a chance. All right, we can just hope that we get the augment, because otherwise I think I'm going dead last. I think it's still not the end of the world, but there's this thing, my little piece of candy thing. Oh, there we go. Got it. I say it's like impossible to open, and my kid keeps putting it on in a way that backwards and awful. All right, we're not getting the thing we want, so that's a bummer. At least not early. We need to go something prismatic. Tiniest Titan, I like that. We can get Artifactory potentially. Ender's items. I think I like Tiniest Titan here. I'm losing a lot of HP. Great. That's good. I still think that these are not the end of the world on Israel, especially with 3 of them, so that's fine. We'll go for a Warmogs and then Tears. We need Tears, so that's fine. We'll just play full whatever. So hold on, what am I doing wrong here? We drop down to 4, I guess. It's fine. There's something wonky here because I think we would want to play Rumble, but oh man, I just realized how great that is. We need to lose, but like by a lot less. Get that out there. I'm not playing this anymore, that's for sure. Okay, now we're level 7, we can try to get a Ezreal. So if I lose, I gain like 4 gold, and eventually, yeah. Either way, I get 2 gold. And I heal. Like, I'm just econing up, boy. Then we just go fast 10. This is where I end up losing, though. I end up doing dumb things like this, though. I have no combat strength. I can get the Hurricane. I can get Cat 5 last augment, right? That would be kind of cool. Then I'll have 3 of those. I probably shouldn't. I forgot I was going to get one for free, and I built the second one. I shouldn't have done that. That's my bad. Beautiful. We want Warmogs here. Warmogs or... yeah, we'll take Mogs. Beautiful. Take Mogs. What's our last? It's JG, I think. Alright, so we'll get a free JG. We want to go Tears after that. Or a blue buff on our real carry, which is Heimer. Whee! Tiny Teemo! Honestly, I want to roll for Ezreal a little bit. I think a singular Ezreal spikes my board so much that like it was probably worth rolling for, I think. So yeah, this is like, I lose, I get 2. If I'm going to be healing. Like, I'm pretty much set for gold. Last augment has to be combat. We have to go combat for the last. I would settle for Shojin. That would be fine. Shojin would be great for Jace too, so it's not like this guy's trying to... Hopefully I give him a max loss. Did he get Tiniest Titan? Oh, that's disgusting. This guy free win, man. Nothing we can do. He's gonna easily hit. He should be able to get like 800 or something. He heals every time. He's gonna be healing so much. Alright, so we're playing for second. We have to try to be healthy. He's at 52 health. Every time he passes on one, he heals 4. This is just disgusting. I don't think I had this yet. This would be like bonkers. Did I roll? No, I got a level. I have to level ASAP. We don't want to go this. We don't want to go... These are kind of awful. We don't want to go GG because I'm going to get one for free eventually. IE is fine for Jace, who I'm definitely going to obviously get. Then I'd like a tier. We'll just wait one round and we'll level. Losing is like, I wanted to lose, but like I don't think I can afford to lose. Or maybe we get Cat 5 here. Cat 5 would be a huge, and then I do roll. I get Cat 5, I roll down to 0 for Ezreal 3. Give him max losses. That's the best you can hope for. But even then, he's at like, look at that. He's at 40 health and he's going to heal up. He's only like 4 Chem Baron though. So like, he's not going to be... it's not good. All right, Recon Bob is awful. We need combat strength. This could be okay, I guess. No, it's not really that. It's Pandora's Bench. We will level. We'll level. We'll roll. We're gonna go for a 3-star 4 cost. That's huge. Okay, hold on. You're getting rolled. You're not getting rolled. You're coming out here. You're getting put out there for this. There we go. Beautiful. And then I have a Sentinel I'm not using. Where's Lewis? I feel like Lewis is around. You can hold this. Lewis is here. Can I drop him? I can. For second you, for you. Okay. And now I can potentially grab the other Lewis. Perfect. We need one more. We can go IE. You can hold this. We do need tiers. We go for a 3-star 4 cost. Okay, that's fine to lose a couple. We just have to stay healthy because we're gonna get just crushed by this guy. Oh my goodness. Huge. There's 2 of them. That's big. All right. Am I re-rolling the 3-star? I'm gonna re-roll that. I do want that. In fact, I want that. Yeah, there we go. I say, do I have one of those out there? Gonna get some losses here as long as that guy, like that guy lost, so that guy won, so that's really awful. Okay, cool. Not great. What are we being a dick about, dude? Like, there's not really a reason to be a dick. This is TFT. If you want to be a dick, go play League. Five cost, I guess. We want a tier. Tier would be huge. I'm actually okay with one of these 5 costs. We'll make a raid or gunblade. We'll go gunblade. Hopefully blue buff, which we don't have anything for, which is a bummer, but whatever. Yeah. Okay. But what is it we want to do here? Get rid of this. There's another 5 costs. I actually need that 5 costs, so we will. What will we do? Cannot level.
Dawn is the future.
Okay, so we need to hit a Jace. We need a level. We need to. Oh, can we get this? Yeah, we did. Okay, cool. 6 Sentinels probably a big upgrade. But we need a level is the problem. So all right, can't attack speed. Yeah, I mean it's okay. Finisher's good on him, isn't it? Also probably good on him, especially since he has all these hurricanes. I don't think it triggers on that. I think we're just going to take it on him.
What a reaction.
We got a Jace. That's huge. Can I level? Not yet. Can't level yet. I can drop a Sentinel. That drops this. Hold on. Gotta figure this out. I think it's you here, right? I have finisher on this, so like we need to itemize him right now. I kind of didn't think a lot of this through. If I had seen him down there, I could have put him out there to get that going. And this is not the one to drop, I don't think. I think technically it's no, none of those. I'm at that point where you need to both roll and level. 6 Academy is pretty strong. We keep 3 items on Heimer until we can get like a blue buff or something. Hopefully we get Ezreal 3. I think that would help us a lot. I don't think I have 4 losses in me, man. He wanted to lose that. He needs to get to 500, and I don't think he can now. Big bummer for him. Cool. That's a big upgrade. I think we do this for now. He's not really my damage dealer. He does add some attack speed, but he can be up front for now. That gives me basically 2 extra tanks. Alright, give me some tiers here. Here? Nope. Nope, 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 nope. Not a tier. Not a tier. Give me a tier. Ah, oh, come on. Holy mackerel. We can go red buff. I'm gonna go sword, and I'm gonna hope. All right, first off, let's do this. You're back here now. Get this. I went sword because I could reforge something. Tier? Okay, we got red buff. I want to reroll a 5 cost, kinda. And you need this to be 2-starred. Look at that. My 2-star is not doing as much as this guy. Alright, good. He got knocked out. Invisible? That's just disgusting. Alright. We gotta do something here. We level? Yeah, we level. Now who am I not playing? Who did I take out? Aurelia? Did, but who's the academy I'm missing? Oh, I can't get 6 academy. I'm stupid. Okay, right. That makes sense. I was the reason I took sword, by the way, is so that I could go like Shojin if I hit it, re-rolled something into a tier, and it didn't work, so fine. Red buff is fine. Actually, I'm really stupid. It should have been Giant Slayer, because I already have anti-heal, but what are you gonna do, man? Alright, it's fine to take a couple losses here. We can go for 3-star 4 cost. I'm gonna go for 3-star 4 cost. I really should be probably going for the this is what I should be probably going for, right? I think I need, there we go. That's something I can roll. What is this? Which? Yeah, I need to like hit Alawi too. Guy has. Why did he contest me? I didn't even think this was gonna be that popular. I guess we both had the same thought though. I can probably move an item over to Jace now that I think about it. He's correct. We need some sort of, we take ooh, Jace or there's no I mean, I guess Heimer. We take Heimer or Jace. God dang it. Alright, we'll take Jace. That Heimer would have been fine because then that Rage Blade could have been stuff on him. We'll move one of these over to him though, and then yeah, I got rid of my 5 costs I was rerolling. We do this. Let's actually do this and this. Fine.
I'm doing this my way. I'm doing this my way.
Okay. Like there's a chance here. I think somebody has Heimer though, so like I can't hit Heimer, right? He doesn't have Heimer. Okay. If I reroll on Alawi, I can sell the Alawi to put the 2-star out there. Can we get a couple of kills here against family? I know family's strong, but it doesn't need to be this strong. Truthfully, no mana item on Heimer is kind of troll. Like he desperately needs that. I'm running 5 Sentinel too. Oh, I forgot I was getting those, man. I mean, it's got to be this because I'm not gonna. Oh, hold on. Let's do this. Let's re-roll this guy. Yeah, sure. An item.
For great science.
A decently high chance that I can hit Heimer. Heimer 3. How long it takes for him to cast with 40 mana? Like so much? Oof. Good thing I fought the ghost board. I don't think anyone has Heimer, surprisingly. I think that other guy would. This guy would. I don't think he hasn't hit yet. Okay, give me an Alawi and Heimer. Well, there's an Alawi. Like it's a 2-star, right? Oh my god, it's a Heimer. I think I should probably do that. Grab this. Can't. Alright, that's fine. Okay, you're garbage. So we'll do this. This. No freaking mana items, man. I don't need. I'm just dying over here. Ah, dang it, man. I'm too slow. Alright, well, if I hadn't have lost here, I could have potentially gotten a 3-star Heimer, man. That's a big bummer. 3-star Heimer with awful items, though. This guy has the Heimer. Sweet. Do you have a Mel or something? How did I? Yeah, he had Mel. 5th place. All right, that was fast. What can I learn from that game? What can I learn from that game? Be faster, I guess. I should have taken a tier at some point. I did not need so many hurricanes when Cat 5 was not guaranteed. Cat 5, even without Cat 5, that was still decent at getting a 5th place. I think that's about it. I think I played it decent, but I should not have gotten 5th. Could have moved items to Alawi, I guess. My item selection was very abysmal, but I was slamming items, and that's kind of that's an important thing. Literally, I just needed like what, 1 or 2 more rounds, and I would have had it. So let's hear. Strong mid. I'm usually weak mid. Actually, that's not true. This is a typical game of going 5th. Weak early, weak late. All right, man. Yeah, that wasn't the end of the world. I like Heimer. My anomaly selection was awful too. I knew I needed a roll, but like that was not very good. It was very bad because he didn't have. I probably should have gone for Ezreal 3. Is what I should have done. Should have gone for Ezreal 3, and then. And then, you know what I mean? Like, secure my position. If I had Ezreal 3 there, I probably would have gotten, like... Probably would have been able to last a little longer. I needed, like, what, 2 more rounds? That guy had Mel in a garbage team, and gets a 4th because he found a Mel. So, fine. Alright, wait. 2 component anvils. I'm always looking at melee comps when I get this. I don't know why. Maybe we go Heimer. We try to go Heimer Sentinels again. But, like... the more of the Sentinel version of it. But let's just see what we got. We have Dominator and Heimer as my go-tos. Or Renata, honestly. I did really well with Renata. Ooh. We go for... Oh, what is the item? Run it back! Let's do it! Let's run it back. I'm gonna run it back, man. We're going dead last. Went dead last. Okay. Sorks are bad. I don't really want to play Sorks, but play them early, I guess. Plus, I do like him. Maybe I hit a Gangplank. What are the other items for Academy? Automata? No. Damage value. Gain 1 reroll for every 2 unique 2 cost champions. My final game is going to have 1. What else is going Academy? A lot of people going Rebel already. That's phenomenal. Cooking pot could work. Frying pan. Or scapegoat. We'll figure it out. Go Visionary, I guess. We can go Visionary. Eventually.
Try to die with dignity.
Can I go Sentinel with this? I can. I can go 6 Sentinel. Or I can go 4 Visionary. Stop. I don't want to make that. Oh, their UI sucks. I don't know how they're so bad at this. Where's the Sentinel? I can grab 2 more Visionary, though. All of the best emblems are actually with Spatula, according to the rating. Like all of the Spatula ones outrank. The only one that's on there is Pit Fighter, and I don't really want to make a Pit Fighter emblem. All right, what are my other items? Darax, that's kind of garbage. Let's just hope that we get the Ezreal carry augment. Yeah. I should. I'm being an idiot. Like I forgot. This gives bonus health things, so we need to do that. At the start of the turn, all but or especially grant the nearest champion 50 permanent health. Yeah, let's do that. Let's start getting that up there. I can't even build a Sterax on anybody but like melee Jace. I guess I could play melee Jace, but we're like hoping for a singular augment, and that's probably a bad idea. Maybe we just kind of ignore it and go for Heimer again. Heimer was broken earlier. He's not anymore. We can go for 6 sentinels though with a +1 sentinel. Go for tier. We go for spatula. How do you not take spatula? You big dumb moron. This is not a fun. Carousel's garbage too. I think they should redo that. Big tier. We can go visionary. What is visionary going to give us though? We get academic research or something. That'd be kind of cool. We're going to commit to this? I think we are. Which means we want to probably go. We're going to get a free cap, so we don't want to buy the cap. Mogs is always good. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. I'm either going Sentinel, Sentinel, or I guess Visionary. Kind of big. We could level. We could level. It would be expensive. We hurricane. Drops form swapper though. Hopefully we win. Just hope to win. I don't really want to slam JG. Oh, she missed her ult. We might be able to win because of that, I think. She's like... Oh, if Lux had gotten that ult off, we would have won this. Okay. What would be nice? What would be nice is Cat 5. And then we are set. Hey, did anyone else take Cat 5 though? Nope. Nope. Guys also going visionaries. So what the heck is this? Pyromania? Okay. Alright, nobody took it. Okay, we have items for a secondary hurricane if we're gonna go for it. So what item do we want with I don't know what we're doing with this. Still, he's not gaining any, right? That'd be a waste. We're not re-rolling luck, so we can level. I suppose. I don't really want to commit to it yet. I can go Rage Blade. We go. What is our third Heimer item? Because we're gonna go Death Cap. We're definitely going Death Cap, right? Maybe we just go Rage Blade. If I had gone Rage Blade, this would have been closer. Alright, give me Cat 5, please. Dang it. Artifactory, though? And change our entire game completely? Radius Titan's really... Go Artifactory. Okay, screw it. Let's do it. You have a shield? No. You have a shield? You do. Fine. And then I can build literally anything here. We'll do that because do I want to, what item do I want to kill? Keep the rod? Keep the rod. Still don't know what I'm doing with that. I haven't really changed. Oh, look at this. This is beautiful. I bought those two Nocturnes. It didn't matter though. It didn't matter. All right. So Trickster's Glass and Anima Visage. This is whatever though. I think we go Visionary. Right? Is that what we do? Or is it, yeah, nah, it's probably Sentinel. We just go extra Sentinel, so... Do I remake that Moggs? Moggs is a pretty good item. I think we probably do. Artifacts are just really good. How many times must we teach you this lesson, old man? Alright, I can't reroll. It's actually probably a good thing. There are two Rebel players, so even if I did hit... I do want to hit Ezreal too. But even if I did hit Cat 5, I would try to reroll it and be just lost. Alright, we want this Heimer. Beautiful. Second item is decap. Yeah, we'll play that. Instead of the... honestly, we could go a third decap. Or a second, just two decaps on him. Do you want to keep that? Want to keep that rod though? Do I go Rage Blade since I have a bow? Or do I cook an item? A lot of really good artifacts still. Even the tank ones are really good. I say we cook an item. We'll just cook an item. And then we will try to go... we don't really need... Do we need, we could go... Alright, we could go Visionary, we could go Sentinel, so we have to wait and see what we get for for this thing. We haven't cooked it yet. I think I want to start feeding her though, since she's going to have those items on her. I know the other guy went visionary too, but like I can still throw on the what's his name? Yeah, this is already better than last game. I didn't have a mana item on Heimer. He's garbage. And we can probably just play. We'll plan on playing Jace in the front line. Mana Zane? That's pretty busted. That's just disgusting, man. And then doesn't he gain more if I put more of those guys out there? I still think it's more sentinels is the play. We just need pen. We're just gonna try. I'm kind of missing out on the on having the extra health now. Look at these. He gets 1, 2, 3, 4 casts like instantly, and then he gets that's 4 extra missiles, so he's at 9 almost right away. Which he does need, because then his like next couple of attacks are like meh. We just get more visionary. I think we'll be fine. We'll play 4 visionary. That's the plan. Who wants a visionary? I think you can be a visionary. It would be great if you were a visionary, no? Just we get visionary and like maybe the what's that one item where you get hit and you gain mana? Okay. We'll commit to leveling. Anyone level 8 yet? You can probably cook this item too. He gains the flat shield, which is a bummer. Maybe we get kill streak, because then kill streak would be really good, because he has problem with like continuing to ult eventually, but if he gets the kills on the first couple of ults, then he will be unstoppable. Oh no, no, that sucks. No, Automata is very strong. I don't think that's his best, but I could be wrong. He hits cap really early. I think I'm okay with this. I'm phenomenally okay with that. Alright, there we go. And another Mana Zane. Maybe it's on you? Then who becomes the other academy? You? I can go to you for now. Don't really know what I'm doing now. We have 5 academy, and then if we level and find our Jace, we get 6. Oh, that's really good. All right, carousel. We want Jace. That is all. Oh, sentinels. We need to probably roll a little bit and find a 4th sentinel. 4th sentinels would be nice. Yeah, we get tier. So carousel, we want tier. That's a really good visionary too. Nice. Old blitzes. When guys re-rolling blitz. And cog.
Rally to me.
I think we have to roll a smidge here. Can you believe this is what I find in my shop here? Come on. I mean, forget about it.
Friends just get in the way.
That's what I need. Okay, I'm dead. I'm pretty much dead. We need a sentinel. We need a... I wasn't really looking for that. We need a sentinel. We need another visionary. Which is... Vex Morgana. Okay. Vex Morgana and, of course, Malzahar. I mean, we found, like, a lot of 5 costs, but none of the ones we could actually use. Tier on Carousel gets us... It's either tier or it's Chain Vest. We can do Sentinel Jace. I'm actually down for that, Sentinel Jace. What do we question mark pinging now? What are we sad by? Alright, tier or Chain Vest is fine. Oh, that sucks, man. We will go for the Sentinel, and you will become Sentinel, and you will ult so many times, and then what?
We do not die this day.
There we go. 4 Sentinel, 4 Visionary, big upgrade. This is, yeah, it's gonna always be on you, just because I don't think we're gonna play him backline, so. We could actually play Visionary Jace. Have him ult a bunch of times. But I think I like, you don't get a shield, right? No. All right, let's. What item? What normal item would we want that we would not want to cook an artifact for? I think I'm down to cook this artifact now. All right. I don't know, but what I do know is we can worry about that after our anomaly. Anomaly, we want kill streak would be perfect or something very tanky. Excuse me. Pretty good combo. I have 2. I didn't realize that. Finisher? Nope. That's good enough.
What a reaction!
I forgot I had this going on. So this has been feeding this? That's so stupid. Alright, let's go here. We'll feed this young lady. And then I kind of want to cook an item. You can have that for now. We'll cook that. I don't know who wants this. Maybe her. Yes. This is kind of garbage. I'm not gonna lie. So when people die, he's gonna get more mana. Kill streak would have been like the one I wanted, but this is still pretty good. All right, we're gonna go for the level. We're gonna go for the level up. Who's my best tank right now? Allowing? Alright. Lighting Jewel is really busted. Oh my god, it's so good. I think it goes on her though, because then I don't have to move items off of him. And I think him having that extra Dealing magic damage reduces, so she deals magic damage, right? I think it's going to be okay. I think that's pretty good. We'll do that. That's fine. I don't know why about that. I saw it and freaked out. This is fine. I actually need that. I want to level. It's not correct to not play this, so who do we play? After you for now. I want to make sure that I'm getting it on. Ooh. We'll go up here. This extra whatever item, doesn't matter. We'll just hold it because maybe we get like a spatula or something that we want to use. I want to see what she's doing to these tanks. Like there's no who's been hit with it. Oh, look at them. Is it not working as intended? Perhaps it's better on him. I mean, I'm winning, so it doesn't matter. If I start losing, I could try to move it. Like impossible to track, man. All right, I gotta like really pay attention though. Okay, let's put you in the middle. Like this. Fine. We're chilling right now. Okay. When dealing magic damage reduces the so it's like it depends on how many ticks. For 3 seconds. Let's see what happens here. 100. He's gonna ult. Boom. 130. 118. It doesn't really do what you think. Okay, so that is not good on her. We actually probably want to move it to Heimer. I think we try it on Heimer. At least got him down to 80. Yes. Yeah, we'll try it on Heimer. I know it'll work on Heimer. Do I need blue buff? Maybe that's the play. I think that's the play. We cook blue buff. Because this is going to give me amp. We already have this. This will also give me mana. We don't need it anymore. This is fine. And this is fine up there still.
We do not die this day.
Oof, 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 oof. Alright, well now let's pay attention to this though. Yeah, he's losing MR. A lot better than the other guy. I think this is better. The real test is when we play Boss Unlimited again, because that was the guy that we lost to. But I think each of those missiles does a proc of it. Good. We'll just cook the item, I think. I don't need any of these emblems. Pick a expensive unit. Perfect. Was there a 6 cost I didn't get? Or 5 cost, I mean? I need Jace, so I need a level. Ooh, every time I stun. Did anyone stun? I don't think anybody stuns in this comp. kind of need. All right, nobody stuns. I think we get rid of this. We can do Elise. So Elise with this, and the stun thing would actually be pretty good. I'm gonna copy from that guy. We find an Elise. We do need a Jace still. Okay, actually, so yeah, we need to find an Elise. Then he's done. Yeah, but he's visionary. All right. I meant to clear out some of these. All right, this. Now let's go from here. How do I fix this? Well, I'm playing. Excuse me. I'm playing 5 Sentinels somehow. We drop Sentinel. We drop one of the Sentinels. I mean, it's this. This is the one that's expendable. We sell that. I don't need it. We're gonna play. We're gonna play this or Jace. I should be probably playing these items on somebody at this point. Top 4 though. Let's figure it out. Elise is the other one I want to play. How do I play? You're never getting in. Activate it. Okay, we open the thing real quick because I think I just want another artifact. Alright, after 3 alts, somebody's at 0. Yeah, that's actually pretty good. Where is it though? That's big. I need a Jace. Why can't I find Jace? Okay, for now, here, and here. A lot of removers. I did it wrong, but look at all those missiles. That's so funny. Ugh. Can't find a Jace. I did better against that one guy. Okay, I legitimately think I sell this. Oh, that's GG. These are all jacked up. I couldn't find any of the things I needed. This fool. He has a Victor on the bench? Or is that a Silco? He has a Victor on the bench. Why are you stupid, man? Ooh. Now I found my Jace. Oh, annoying! I don't beat these guys. I can't find freaking Jace because he has a 2-star. Why do you have a Jace, good sir? Stupid spider. I couldn't find a spider either. And of course you have a Victor. That makes sense. Sometimes this game is just stupid, man. Like, I mean, I'm struggling. Just struggling to hit third place. All right, let's run it back. Alright, just gotta shake off the last game. Maybe we play Kog'Maw. I loved the artifacts though. Artifacts are so much fun. And I happened to get decent ones. Alright, let's see if we can maybe play an Kog'Maw. Kog'Maw. See what we got here. We have crit, so we might have to play around like a different comp. I don't know who's good with crit. Corky. Jinx. Give me a rod. Nope, no rod. No rod. Fell. Alright, what do we have here? Fire Maniac? Prize Fighter? I don't know. We could potentially win. Dealing 60 player damage? That one's really hard to hit. This is actually pretty good though, right? Pretty good for Kog'Maw. I don't think we're ever gonna get that. Law enforcement. Nope, not playing that. I do need items. Let's try to win. There was a sniper in the last shop and I didn't buy it, like a big dum-dum. So what can I play that makes me conquer, maybe? We need rods and bows. We have to try to win streak so we can get some items here. So Kog'Maw, do I have? I know I have one. Been a minute since I've played it. Might have gotten overwritten. Alrighty. We're playing Kog'Maw. I'm helping. Let's see. Aaron, Malzus, Maljish, Mordekaiser, Mel. Yeah, this is it. And then we get +1 and we win for free. I need to win. I need to win. Every 5 wins. I think that's kind of busted. As in, like, not good. I cannot slam anything. I can. Just better not to. Do this too. Is this better? Maybe this is better for now for early game. Get the conquer and more frontline, and then we try to level for that. Okay, we want. What do we want? We want a bow. We want a rod. Rod's number 1. Rod's our number 1 choice. It is impressive how strong this Lux is. We win, right? We're slowly ramping up. We're slowly ramping up. We're slowly ramping up. Whew. Alright, not ideal to waste all our gold doing that. But I need to win to get some of these things. We've gotten 1. I wish it would tell you how many. We've won 1. I don't, you know, hindsight, this is not a very good augment. With what I currently have, you know. Gonna be tough for me to win streak, I would think. But if it sets me up, like if I can just sacrifice a little bit of econ early and early mid and get some items, then I can keep winning and make up for it, right? Then we can go for combat strength or regular econ next. I'm sacrificing econ now. Econ traits are better early game. This is not. This is econ. It's item econ though. All right, rod. Kog'Maw is also acceptable, but we want rod or bow or cog. Rod's gone. Cog's gone. Bow is gone. Sweet. This guy's gonna play Kog'Maw. I don't care. I'm contesting. You're contesting me, to be clear. Like, I already have a cog. How do can I level and win? I don't think I can level. I can't win. This fool. He's building the dumb items on him and it doesn't even matter. Whatever, man. We get the items we want from here. That's what we hope for. Drop like a rod, and a bow. This crit can become like a steadfast heart or something. The TFT version of it's called. Definitely like a keep. I don't think it's better though. I think this is better. We lack damage. I have Watcher right now, so I don't think it's better to get rid of Darius. Not yet. This guy's going Spoils of War. He's doing the same basic thing, but he's level 4. He doesn't know what he's doing. But here's the thing, I don't know what I'm doing late game, clearly, because I keep losing. Oh no. Kill her quickly, quickly. Great. Maddie was going to be a problem there. Alright. Econ's not great. We knew that. We sacrificed that. We need to drop some pillar cog items, or we need to potentially pivot. Feels bad to pivot out of this because this is an S tier comp, but if I don't hit the items, I don't know what else to do here. Maybe we go to like Heimer, potentially. Okay, that's actually good. Okay, we're back. We're staying here. We're 100% going to contest. And we have a bow. And we have a bow. And some of me, wasn't it? I think we level though. You're 100% level. We play bow here. We get a rod. We're looking great. We have 4, which means next one, because we actually lost the first one. Yeah, hey bud. Maybe you should have scouted. He might pivot though. He could go into rebels. He has better rebel items anyway. Maybe he's actually just gonna quick level all the way up to get what's his name? Malzahar. His is more like he will hit more regularly, like he's gonna hit gold, and his is probably a better augment than mine. Mine is like items, but it's if you win, and you have to win a crap ton of times. Okay, that could have been better. It's not bad though. I could go Giant Slayer. This is pretty good. I don't like this one. Nope. Got 5. Where were you the 15 times I tried to play that? Okay. I don't remember what it is, but in all, it's probably gonna be okay on you. I'll go Giant Slayer now. Let's see if it would make a difference. No, I really need Rageblade. I think we just hold. Ooh, we lose this regardless, I think. Like with Rageblade, I think we could win it. Like, what a jeez, man. Yeah, I think we lose that regardless. We'll sell this for gold. This is like gonna give us one. If I win the rest of these, it's gonna be one extra. Oh, nice. I don't have that knowledge. Is this better than 2 Watcher though? I don't think it is. I think 2 Watcher is actually better. This is. Maybe we get a +1 automata. That'd be great. All right, where's the guy that's contesting me? Do you have a build-a-bot or something? How did you get? Oh, worth the wait. You had worth the wait and still hit that? Jeez, man. I had Cat 5 this round, and it's a sponsored item. Fine, it's fine. I don't feel bad. Oh, here's the guy that's contesting me down here. Okay. I would have had the augment and been contesting somebody else who's already doing that. And I had no units for it, so it would have been bad. And look at all these like rebels and stuff out. All right, sword. We want a rod. We need the rod. It's on a 4 cost. We're probably not getting it. We have a sword. Who can take a sword? I mean, tier. We get a tier. Come on, man. Can't get any items at all. We just take the crit. Oh, IE on we don't even need IE. Maybe we get lucky gloves last. That'd be kind of cool. Because I don't think I'm gonna be. I mean, I guess it's her if I don't hit a +1 automata, right? So IE's not bad. Like, that's a pretty good slam. Level and play this. I need to level. We need to stay healthy. We need to win. We've lost 1 this round, which means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So next augment, if we win the rest, we actually get another. And we're pretty strong. This guy's ridiculous that he's at the Heimer right now. Because even, like, I guess this is what I need to realize. I'm getting free items, so it's not like, oh, I'm wasting an item here getting the... No, I got like a free IE, you know? At this point, I've got a free sword. I feel like this should be item... This should be item anvils, in my opinion. Or component anvils. I really like you... compare it to Spoils of War, where you can get duplicators. You know... He built so stupidly and he's gonna win. I don't think I can roll. I think he's gonna got the roll there and he's gonna get infinite. What the heck are you doing? Like, seriously, there's already 2 people going this. Are you that stupid? Gosh, people are dumb. They don't know how to scout. Fun fact, R. You can push the R button, it will scout. Put that out for that. That's a better Dominator. Guess we could pivot. There's nothing holding us here. Give me some rod. Give me a rod. We could go... there's already some rebel players. I don't think we can do anything. Rod. Rod. Okay, you guys are really pissing me off, man.
I hate the fire. We fight for those.
That's all I really wanted, man. Okay. This. 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 I think this is fine. Move those over there. Because IE could potentially work. What am I holding it for? I guess I could get a Shojin. I think I have to have to level. Freaking morons don't know what they're doing, man. The one guy, I get it, like you are who you are, you're not gonna be better than that, but getting two, this is really good. I was kind of hoping to see if I could get a +1 automata, so I didn't. I think it's this then. We drop the idea of going for mouths. You can play sniper. Probably 4 watchers. What are you doing out there? Later? That's not that important. Sniper, and then we want watchers. Oh, the guy I sold already. It's fine. And then where is he? This or that or that. Really need that rage blade, buddy. He did hit almost max. I think Dominator is all that important. A little bit of a shield in the beginning. I don't think we. You're killing me. You are killing me. All right, rod. We need a rod. We're gonna stay this level. You're the biggest dummy. Like for real, you're stupid. He's gonna be fine, but like, because he's playing a busted comp, but like, man, you don't know how to like scout? You're going dead last because you contested two people that started with a cog. I can truthfully go Malzahar instead of him. But I don't think I reroll that. I think I need to like level. Alright, rod. Oh, I need to move items to Blitz. Well, I want Zeri instead, actually, because it's probably going to be difficult to find one of those. Alright, what do we want? Rod? Rod is perfect. I hate you so much. Absolute garbage. Sword, I can go Giant Slayer for now. I have to slam Giant Slayer and then move it later. We have an extra bow. Can't afford to not. I do need to use a remover now, though. Here we go. Fine.
Wonderful.
I don't know why you're back there, but up there. Gotta level and play another. Yeah, we're not rolling that. We level. We play another Watcher. You big dumb idiot. Like, you might even beat me because you have better items than me. Doubt it, though. Direct, son. Alright. I probably should have waited to do that. Yeah, this is pretty good. I need a rod. I don't remember what we're at now. I think I got it here, so 1, 2, 2, so. Alright. I guess when it says 10, maybe? It should definitely give out, like, more than just a random component. Note to self, though, this is garbage. Don't take this again. This is pretty good, though. War Watcher's pretty straight there, man. I think it's better than, no, 4 Automata is better. It would be even better if I get a +1. What is this? It's a cloak and a spat, yeah. Cloak spat. If we can get one. We got one of his better ones. I think this is really good because of this. Let's watch. 184. He has a Victor. Yeah. That's cool. Alright, well he's got a 268 now, so that's decent. Just goes to show you if I can hit a better front line, I might be able to win. 350 AP? Yeah. Rage Blade and I'm back in this, man. I'm gonna try and maybe if I can. I have enough health. Maybe I just don't roll until this guy's gone. He is low. Who's the other idiot? This one. All right. Yeah, they're both 27 HP. 2 Heimers, huh? Guy has Heimer. Do I hold the Heimer? Not likely that it's gonna make any difference. I probably need to sell. Give me a rod, please. I lost again. Maybe like 3 more rounds, I think. Give me a rod. Annoying, man. Give me a rod. Freaking finally. Cool. Cool beans.
We fight for those who cannot.
I don't think we ever play this. That on the other hand, maybe. Not really, no. We have what we're playing. We're not playing those. I need to stop rolling. I literally just said don't roll until those 2 are gone. I'm healthy enough to where I can lose a couple. So stop rolling. Yeah, that was that was a little but if this guy gets a Victor, it's probably GG. Like the amount of stuns that he just did was disgusting. And a Jinx. I don't think he has a Jinx yet. Victor and Jinx, and that guy's unstoppable. I need to move. I need to be scouting and move this guy around. Stupid spider. The other guy. No. Great. They're almost out. Stop rolling. Don't roll. And now I'm gonna get rods, and I don't want them. Actually, I could take a rod. I could make I already have magic pen. I don't want that. if they die right now, if they get knocked out right now, then A, it puts all of them back in the pool, and B, maybe no one will go for the automata emblem. What the heck are you doing with a sniper out there? Or, I mean, you need to find a, you need to just find a Caitlyn. That's fine. Yeah, bummer. One of them's gonna be out. That's good. Fantastic. Now he might roll and find a couple, but he's not gonna hit the 3-star, right? No, he doesn't have. He might hit a 2-star of this. That was risky. Roll a little just so that he doesn't. Ooh. On average, is going to best on it. We'll grab this just in case. You did hit that. Fun. Okay, we could fight this. We could fight this, and we could fight that over there. I think all in all, who's tankier? I think the family guys. This guy, Vander's a little tankier. Alright, well this is my shot. If I knock him out, then they're all back in the pool. I can just roll down to 0. Unless, of course, I hit a +1. Nah, I don't do it. Sucks, man. You hit a 2-star 5 cost. Played stupidly, and still is going to get rewarded for it. Because of RNG, man. What do we even want? Frontline. Anything frontline, I guess. We have anti-heal? No. We can take anti-heal, though. Okay, frontline item. There's one left. Of course! Such a garbage game. Probably should have moved. Trying this. Trying that is it. We don't need that. Let's switch sides real quick. Didn't have time to scout, but switching sides maybe is a good idea. Yeah, I got away from that stupid thing. Still might come over here and hit something though. Gotta be kidding me, man. This fool, man. That is disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. Of course you have a Victor too. And a Warwick? Are you freaking kidding me? You have 3 6 costs. At level 8. At level 8, you have 3 6 costs. What is this game? This would have been great back here. Like, seriously, what is this game? 3 6 costs. At level 8. Tell me how this is not a lottery. Tell me how this is not just RNG. No, it's skill. You see, he pushed the reroll button and found a 6 cost.
I'm doing this my way.
What we do is right. We fight for those who cannot. We fight for those who cannot.
Are you kidding me? A 4-star? Yeah, that's... Nope, that's fair. And it's a... Yeah, I mean, I eventually break through, but not fast enough. And this fool, who is so... He was in a worse spot than both me and this other idiot. No, actually, no, he was the one that was the worst spot, so... Alright, we needed that so bad. I don't care about this. Like, I really need... Fog. This game sucks balls, man. Fifth place. This game sucks.